What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Asus ROG Phone 7. I got this from asus.com for $1,099.99. Alright, take a look at the screen and check out the specifications, and we're going to move forward with the unboxing. So first and foremost, we are greeted with this design right here. And as you can see here, it says 07 ROG Phone, for those who dare. Very interesting design that you can see on here. And the shrink wrap makes this thing very reflective, right? ROG Phone 7. Okay, the top has a Chrome-esque Republic of Gamers ROGI logo. Right, on this side, again, another ROG Phone 7. On the bottom, another ROG Republic of Gamers logo. Okay. And on the back, there's sensitive information, so we're going to block that. And here it just says the ROG Phone 7 Asus phone, mobile phone, and just give you some general information. Okay. All right, and that's all we have. Now, I really do like this design right here. It's representative of what the actual phone design looks like on the rear. So we can go ahead and cut this thing open and see what we got. Okay. Okay, so this is a very high quality fill-in box. Just for reference, I have the Asus ROG Phone 5S box. This thing has a metal clasp right here. The box is very high quality, and the unboxing experience was really good, especially with that AR comic that jumps out of the actual box itself when you're unboxing it. So that's really cool. This one feels more like cardboard. This one feels more like premium cardboard, the 5S. So let's see what else we got over here. Okay, they definitely do not open the same way. This one, as you can see, slides up, as opposed to the 5S, which opens up from the side. Okay. Here we're presented with "For Those Who Dare," with the ROG logo in the middle. All right. There's a pull tab. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay. All right, so we have a ROG Phone 7 first edition user guide. Okay, tells you a lot about the phone. There's some LED indicators at the top, receiver and speaker, front camera, proximity sensor and light sensor, touchscreen display, fingerprint sensor, and speaker. It tells you the side profile, microphone. Let's zoom in. There we go. Microphone there, air trigger here, volume key, microphone, power key, air trigger, touch sensor, microphone up here, USB Type-C port, audio jack, pogo pin, USB Type-C port, nano SIM card tray eject hole. All right, and on the rear, you have the camera flash, the rear cameras, the NFC detection area, and the rear cover. Right, pretty good at a glance in regards to the phone itself and the features on the phone. And this is another design of it. I think this is the ultimate version where you do have the actual screen. So that's the only difference in regards to the rear, is the addition of the second screen. Okay. All right, and over here we simply have a case for the phone. All right. Fortunately enough, I've been able to get a third-party case. The same as the one that I have on the 5S, but I got it for the ROG Phone 7. But just so you can see what it looks like, this is what the case looks like. It feels very flimsy. I mean, it's better than nothing, but it's extremely flimsy and doesn't feel like it's going to protect the phone much. I do like the design on it. It has the ROG letters there, and it has some grippy design here. It looks like a flag almost. Very interesting. All right, and it has inside the ROG logo. Okay. All right. Next up, we have the ejector pin right here, and there's really nothing else inside, so we're gonna move that aside. So far, this unboxing experience is not as premium as the 5S. All right. So here we have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. There's a pull tab down here, which you can see right there. Okay. So here's the phone. Before we take the plastic off, as you see on the back is the ROG like an animatrix logo. Okay. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay. All right, so inside we have a charging brick and we have a USB Type-C cable, and it looks like that's it. Again, no cool AR unboxing experience, which I was expecting something along those lines. I guess Asus didn't decide to put the effort in this year. It may be a better experience with the Ultimate, not sure. I got to look online at the reviews for that, but yeah, I'm a little disappointed in the unboxing experience. You know, there's nothing that stands out about it that makes it unique, or looks like they put some serious effort in. So it is what it is this year, right? Okay. So here's the device itself right here. I'm gonna take this plastic off. Okay. All right, so here's the phone itself. There are your cameras and your flash and the camera hump, right? Which means if you place it down on the table, it's not going to lay flush. On this left side, as you can see, there is the ejector tray, so you can put your SIM card in. Here's a USB Type-C charging port. There's some pins right here, so you can dock it to an accessory. At the top, there is a microphone right here. On the right side, there is a volume rocker. There's a power key right here. And on the bottom, you have your 3.5 millimeter headset jack, and you have a USB Type-C port off center. To me, I don't really like how this is off centered. I mean, for a lot of accessories and stuff that I use, having this port off center is an inconvenience. It would have been nice if they centered it this year, but you know, that's Asus's style, right? Also on the back, you have this like translucent design up top, and this just matte black over here. There is a Republic of Gamers little wording right there, and another little design right here, design cue that I like right there. I think that's a nice little touch. So there are like these small nuanced design elements that I think makes it very unique as a phone, and you know, I'm definitely a fan of the ROG phone. So go ahead and power it on, and I'll take a look at first boot, see if it has some juice in it. Let's go. Okay, so now we're greeted with the welcome screen. Very nice soundtrack that they got going on there. I do like this logo animation here as well. That's pretty neat. You know, I'm gonna go through it. If there's anything to write home about, I'll go ahead and make a follow-up video. But for the most part, this is the Asus ROG Phone 7. I'm coming from the Asus ROG Phone 5S. And let me put this aside for a second and show you the case accessory for it. Got this from Amazon. Forgot the amount, but I think it's like around $12 or something like that. Not sure offhand. But this is the same case that I have for the Asus ROG Phone 5S. So let me go ahead and open it up so you guys can see it. Very decent case. It provides a good amount of protection. The only thing I don't like from the old phone, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. Right, so this is the Asus ROG Phone 5S. As you can see, it starts to break off. You see that piece right here? This is the piece that was a plastic piece that was over the actual phone, but now, as you can see, it has broken off. Right, see, it's broken off right there. But other than that, I mean, it's a great case. I like the kickstand. One design flaw is that because this part of the kickstand does not lay flush, as you can see over time from use, it'll start to wear away. The chrome coating starts to wear away on this little key ring, key ring phone holder, right? So you can set your phone up and use it like that. So, yeah, other than that, I mean, I like that. It's a very good case. I dropped this several times. No breaks or cracks or any issues. So this is a very durable case. So I do highly recommend it if you do have the Asus ROG Phone 5, 6, or 7. All right, so this right here is very similar. So you can see, right? They're both very similar. The only thing is now, because this design here, it actually blocks out what you see right here. So it looks like it was made from the ROG Phone 5S, and they just machined the holes differently up here at the top for the camera. But again, you don't see anything in regards to the light that's actually on the rear of it, because it looks like it's being blocked by this. Let me see. Yeah, you can open it and here you go. But yeah, this part you cannot get off. So that means once you put this on the case, you will no longer be able to see this LED right here, ROG LED, which I think is a huge design flaw and really makes absolutely no sense to me. I don't know why they did it like that, but I mean, it's not really a big deal to me, but if you really did care about something like that, yeah. All right, and it's not a punch out, so you can't really push it out at all, which is pretty disturbing. But it is what it is. It does have the necessary cutouts, right? For USB Type-C, it has your cutout for your 3.5mm jack. Has a cutout here for your microphone. All right. But yeah, it's a very durable case, very lightweight, but offers a maximum amount of protection, and I highly recommend it. And just so you can see, this is called Fashion Case for Smartphone. So just type that in to Amazon and put in Asus ROG Phone 7, and you'll be able to grab this accessory. Okay. All right, and that's it. This is the final look of the Asus ROG Phone 7. All right, which has a decent amount of updates, or I say hardware upgrades to it. Then the 5S, currently the 5S that I have has Android 13 on it. So I don't think there's going to be much difference by way of software, but hardware-wise, this thing seems to be extremely premium. All right. Could have been a better unboxing experience, but it is what it is. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. If you're unsubscribed, hit the like button, share this video everywhere, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for the support, and I'll see you soon. Peace.